Schnucks Rewards is here to simplify shopping. Say goodbye to missing items and duplicate purchases with the Schnucks Rewards Shopping List. Add items from home, at work, on the go, anywhere. Follow along to create your shopping list. The Schnucks Rewards Shopping List is organized by aisle based on your home store to make shopping a cinch. Set your home store here. You can change your home store to any of our Schnucks locations. Let's change our home store to Schnucks Kirkwood. Now you're ready to make your list. Locate items by typing them into the search bar. Let's search for Schnucks ice cream and add it to our list. You can filter items by using our wellness guide icons. Let's check out the gluten-free items. Now we'll add it to our list. View your past purchases to find specific items. Or scan items directly to your list. But that's not all. You can easily share your list with friends and family members by clicking the Share icon. When shopping, you can easily mark off each item you've collected by tapping the circle next to it. It will appear under Collected. When you're finished shopping, you can uncheck all your items, delete all your items, or delete only your collected items. Now you're ready to start a new list. Simplify shopping. Download today. Shopping will never be the same.